Hi, I just received my Boxycharm for February 2022. I had received it last week, and I'm just getting to do the video this week. So, yeah, I have taken the items out of the box, and yeah, and I'll put in the description the price that I pay for the monthly Boxycharm box. So yeah, let's get started. Now the first thing that I received that comes in there, the little card, and it says Boxycharm, and it says to be my glam and tire, glam and time. So yeah, this is what it says. In the back, it has like the list of products that I received, and it is 5 products here. And so the first item that I received, I hope I'm saying the name right, is ILLAMASQUA, and it's a dehydrating setting spray, and it is $26, and it's a Hydrator setting spray. It is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup like it says, for a flawless dual finish. And this is non-sticky formula, dries fast to set your makeup all day. Infused with pea peptides, rich in omega acids, and it says hydrating setting spray will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. I don't have on my glasses, but yeah, I'm just I'm reading what I see there. So that's for this. Then the next thing that I received here is called Glow Recipe, and it's a watermelon glow dual drop, and it says this is a hydrating skin care and makeup hyper visible brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce high pigmentation. And it says infused serum. It is formulated with mica, glitter, and pearls, creating a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. And yeah, like I said, if I didn't say it, but the price of this is $34, and it's Glow Recipe. And let me just show you. It has like this little tip thing here. And I had it on, tried it on, and it really smells good. And I'm going to put it on my face just to try it out later on. And the next thing that I got here is Acelogy. Acelogy. I guess I'm saying it right, but if I didn't, you hear me. And it says a detoxing treatment mask. And it's a detoxing treatment mask. It is a supercharged health retrieve for skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities. And it says it cleans clogged pores. And it says with skin-loving charcoal antibiotic. Oh, no, not antibiotic. I'm sorry. It says antibacterial and purification powder. And detoxing ingredients when it comes to extracting dirt and antioxidants. A botanical balance, and protects the skin for a poreless, flawless texture. And this is worth $69. The next thing I have here, it says STYLEDRY. And it says here that it's a coconut and fig hair mask. The super hair mask enriched with coconut oil, butter for healthy, hydrating, and glossy hair. It is it says it's the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you an ultimate treatment at home. And it says it'll moisturize, silky and shiny like never before. That's what it'll do. That's what they're saying. So this is for your hair, and it's a hair mask. And this is worth $16.95. This is real different for me because I normally don't get stuff like this. I usually get makeup. So, yep. And this is the last product, and it says BALI BALM, which I'll write these things down so you'll know what they are. And it is a pineapple lip scrub, which I had the same thing in Epsi, but it was by a different brand. This is $23. It says enriched and it says it has a sugar scrub. It is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance, exfoliating sugars, cane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells. And it says the aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, vanilla, essential oils will leave your lips soft and hydrating. Oh, no, it says it'll leave your lips soft and, yeah, I think it says it'll leave your lips soft. And, yeah, that's what it says. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. And this is what it looks like. And this smells really good. Really, really good. And it's good for the lips. And, yeah. So these are all the products that I received in my Boxycharm. Please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.